For those of you that are fading Ruby, Ruby circulating supply is just 20 million. PI circulating supply is almost 7 billion token. Can you see the difference? Ruby can outperform PI network when it comes to the listing price, and you can still mine this token for free. All you have to do is download the Ruby app from either your Play Store or your Apple Store. Use my promo code Blosslily to get started, BLOSSLILY, for you to get started and start mining. Now, once you are mining, the next thing you want to do is to complete your KYC, because why not? You have to do it at the early stage here so that they will not burn your token when it's time for them to list. Sure, you understand? From here, you're going to click on the profile icon just right beside the discovery icon at the bottom left corner of your Ruby dashboard. Yeah, just right there. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to a place like this. You just click on user verification. So from there, you're going to see this eKYC, and you're going to see it's going to write not verified at the front. So you want to click on that not verified. Once you click on it, it's going to tell you welcome to Ruby, blah 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 blah. You just say continue. These are the steps for you to do your KYC. So you just say continue, and from here it's going to bring out all the requirements that you have to do, because this project doesn't want you to be dulling yourself. You have to be mining consistently, like so this is what you have to do. First of all, you need to have complete ownership information for over 30 days. This means you must have over 30 days mining. Like you should have mined consistently for 30 days. Day 1, day 2, day 3. You're mining every day for 30 days. It doesn't matter if you skip any day. You shall count everything for you 30 days, but I'm sure you don't want to skip any day, right? Then secondly, you need to exploit at least 30 Ruby. That means you should have mined at least 30 Ruby. All right, so it doesn't should have, that is all the Ruby that you've mined in total should be around 30 Ruby. Then once you complete that, see those two steps has been completed on this my account. Then the last step is for you to receive invitation from KYC 1.5. so you just keep checking. Once they give you the invitation, this thing is going to continue is going to pop blue for you, so you'll be able to click on it and you're going to start your verification. The verification process is pretty simple, just like normal verification. Give them your your ID card, maybe some selfies and stuff, right? That's all, and you are going to be done. I'm sure you guys don't want to miss out on Ruby. Download the Ruby app now and start mining. So I'll see you guys on my next one. If the video was helpful, don't forget to give me a like and follow me for more content like this. I'll see you all on my next one. Bye.